Level 5, Grady. Cancelling a fraction to its lowest terms, or its simplest form possibly. First of all, we're just going to quickly have a look at equivalent fractions so that we are familiar with what's going on here. So equivalent fractions, very important part of fractions and one of the fundamental skills. We can change any fraction into an equivalent fraction by multiplying the top and bottom by the same number. So if I times top and bottom by 2, I get 2/4 from a half. If I times them both by 3, I get 3/6. If I times them both by 4, I get 4/8. And there are an infinite number of fractions that have the same actual value but look differently to 1/2. 2/3, some equivalent fractions to 2/3, but if I doubled the top and bottom I get 4/6. If I tripled the top and bottom I get 6/9, and then I would get 8/12 and 10/15. 2/5, I'd have 4/10. If I double top and bottom times by 3 I get 6/15, 8/20 and 10/25. So they're the first 5 equivalent fractions for the half, 2/3 and 2/5. Now cancelling fractions to the lowest term or simplest form is just doing the reverse of that. You've got a fraction that's in equivalent form. So if I had 4/8 and I wanted it in the simplest form, I've got to figure out how to get back to a half. So I'd have to realise that 4 goes into 4 and 8. So what I'm looking for is something that goes into the top and the bottom. Now I don't have to find the biggest thing, although it does help if you can do it straight away. I can do it in stages, so this is a little bit of dividing going on here. I need to, well, quite often it's easy to just start by halving the top and the bottom, dividing by 2. So half those I get 4/12. Can I half it again? Oh yes I can, and I get 2/6. Can I half it again? Yes, 1/3. And that's, once you get down to 1, you definitely know you're in the simplest form or the lowest terms, because 1 won't go any further. But if 2 doesn't work, then maybe try a bigger number like 3 or 5 and so on. Okay, but quite often we start with just halving the top and the bottom, and that will take us quite a long way, and sometimes it will take us all the way. So 16/20 will go down to 4/5. Now sometimes halving doesn't work. You can't half 27 and get a whole number, so we have to start looking at bigger numbers. What number goes into 18 and 27? Well, that's the first number I can think of is 3. 3 goes into 18 6 times, and 3 goes into 27 9 times. Now, can that go any further? Well, 2 certainly doesn't go into 9. Let's try 3 again. 3, does that go into 6? Yeah, it goes twice, and 9 goes 3. So that takes me down to 2/3, which is actually would have been the next one of the next ones in this list here. So that's how you cancel fractions down, finding a number that goes into both the top and the bottom.